my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like
One of you told me that Dhanda's new music video has dropped and we are gonna check it out. It's called Nobody Came Official Music Video by Dhanda Newliwala. Have turned on the caps. Also, it's trending on number 9 on music trending charts. I'm not even surprised because all of his music videos works fine. Even the videos are generally lit. So I'm looking forward to it. Let's go.
तू नहीं आई तेरी याद आई है, बड़े दिन के बाद आई है। कमरे में और न था कोई, मैं और मेरी तन्हाई है। तू नहीं आई तेरी याद आई है, बड़े दिन के बाद आई है। कमरे में और न था कोई, मैं और मेरी तन्हाई है। बात ना करे
Yo, it's heartbroken.
छोड़ के भी जा सकूं हूं जिसमें कोई जेल नहीं, चलती फिरती लाशा बिच जिंदा रहना खेल नहीं। इश्क बना उम्र कैद और मिली इस ते फेल नहीं। दिल की अमीरी का अमीरा ते कोई मेल नहीं। बता दियो कब जाना है तेरा एक इशारा, बहुत मौत है जंग जीत जूंगा जिंदगी ते हारा बहुत। जांदी जांदी पलट के तू एक बार देख लेंदी, गली के उस मोड़ तक नाम तेरा पुकारा बहुत। जहां रवे खुश रहिए मेरे यारा, दुख तेरा मन देके जाइयो सारा। मेरी फिक्र ना तू करिए जमावी, मेरी गला तेरी रुसवाई है। तू नहीं आई तेरी याद आई है, बड़े दिन के बाद आई है।
तूने आई तेरी याद आई है, it's a nice line.
मैं और मेरी तन्हाई है। छोड़ के जहां दुनिया तक बाहर चले गए, जो समझ सके थे मेरे वे यार चले गए। खड़ी करके दुखा की दीवार चले गए, तेरे वादे देके उम्रा की मार चले गए। असर नहीं होता किसे की दे हुई दुआ का, चिराग बुझ लिए है सारा दोस्त है हवा का। पागल कर दिया है तेरे हिजर के कमाना, और ये लोग सोचे सर पे मेरे साया कोई बला का। तू के जाना इंतजार के दुख न आई दिला में दरार के तेरा इश्क वा सजा देगा जिसकी दुनिया में न सुनवाई है। बड़े दिन के बाद आई है, कमरे में और न था कोई, मैं और मेरी तन्हाई है।
His friend.
कसम खा सकूं हूं जाके गीता या कुरान लिया, मन ने जितना सया है कोई सह जावे इंसान लिया। लब जाके चाकू पे तन्ने रूह का इम्तिहान लिया, कोई आके कुछ भी कह गया और तन्ने सब मान लिया। तो मैं कब का लिया हूँ रूह बचे हुए साकी चह, आज इतनी पी ली है के धरती मेरे बाकी चह। मुसाफिर तो मरेगा ही मंजिल जब ना की चह, मेरी तरह हंस के बताए तेरी कौन बाकी चह। मेरा हाल बस तारा ने पता है, मेरे घर की दीवारा ने पता है। मेरी फिक्र ना तू करिए जमा भी, मेरी गला तेरी परछाई है। तू नहीं आई तेरी याद आई है, बड़े दिन के बाद आई है। कमरे में और न था कोई, मैं और मेरी तन्हाई है।
He killed himself?
ना करे
Crazy.
दिल की मेरे दिल की टूटा होया दिल,
His heart's broken, so.
बात ना करे
The broken. Everything else is broken in his life, except for her, right? In his heart. Bro is feeling hollow inside after the loved one left. Let it be friends, let it be, she as a symbolic here is the main lover. And the memories when somebody leaves us, that is the one that makes you not forget them or not let you live peacefully either, right? The memories that creates a void sense of loneliness and even makes you suffer to a point where you are like, maybe I choose death than being or living in this sadness, which is crazy. Don't do it. I don't recommend. Okay. Just because somebody leaves you, it doesn't mean that is the answer for it. A lot of people may come and go, but Reactor Flix is here to take care of. Just kidding, guys. Most of the people nowadays just suppress their emotions and think that that would be the right answer to it, but no, that will just keep piling on and you'll get depressed over time. You'll have anxiety and depression over time. So don't do that. Do go through the process of emotions. Do cry it out, maybe stay lonely for some time. Take the time to process your feelings and then come out stronger. Go find another girl who's even better, who would trust you before trusting her own friend, right? That's another thing, the crazy friend who creates a fight between them by removing her clothes. What was that? That's just a snake in the house in face of a friend, right? Crazy. But there are people like that who come between you, your friends maybe, or you and your girlfriend just to because they're jealous, just to create a chaos. They don't like the happiness that you have. So the song absolutely would be relatable to a lot of people out there because heartbreak is very common. Right? And I hope if you're watching this video heartbroken, don't worry, we got you covered. Like, share, subscribe, because more of Danda's music will be coming to you. Are you happy now? If not, don't worry, have a ball of ice cream that could help numb the pain. Let me just read some of the comments. Danda taking Haryanvi pop to the next level. One thing that I understood is that he can do any genre no matter what. Right? He's really good at this stuff. Danda day by day climbing the charts. His music videos just been like 2 days or so, 4 days now. It's already trending in the charts, and then he has 1 million views. So yeah, this guy knows what he's doing, and everybody's loving it. Danda equals revolution of Haryana, and he just revolutionized everybody's hearts now. Trending number 1 पे लाना है भाइयों, खींच दो भाई सब. Yes, go watch the video. Don't forget to like their video because then only the video would trend. Also hype the videos because nowadays that's the new thing. I am shocked when he displayed a poster of Juan Ilyas Saab as Murshad. What a love he has for him. Love you, Danda Saab. I'm honestly not sure about the poster and the guy. So if you know more about him, do let me know in the comments. The change that Dhanda brought to Haryanvi music industry is totally insane. The videos, lyrics, all the best for your future. The same thing that we gotta say is the guy is the revolution. The guy brings the best music ever, and he is representing Haryana, and he's doing a total justice to the representation. Glad we watched this. The way he changed the Haryanvi music industry, hard work, consistency, he does produce a lot of music videos. Like we have covered a lot of his songs on our channel and back to back because he releases a lot of music that shows that he is very hardworking and very much thinking about his audience, right? To give content every now and then is not easy, especially when it comes to music. And he is good at it, so that's the reason why it's easy for him, right? Only Danda Newliwala can write this with a heart. So he is a romantic. That's a new discovery for me today. Why I am getting addicted to the song. The song is really good, bro. So you will get addicted. And if you are addicted, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit on the bell icon, and I will see you on the next one, hopefully very soon. Until then, bye, and let me know when something new drops. I will check it out for you. Until then, bye.
No filter, I got no filter, no filter.